Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan, and now I'm so excited to show you the latest virtual reality all-in-one headset from Pico, and this model is the Pico 4, the newest VR devices from Pico, a ByteDance company. And today I'm going to show you what's inside these books, and also I'm going to talk on the basic specification and my experience on using this VR headset. Okay, first let's check the box first, because it's really a big box and we can get a lot of information from the front of the books. And here is in front of the books we can find the model name Pico 4, and also here in this side we can find the main stuff inside these books. Left, right, 2 controllers, and here is the main headset, and also here we can get some main features about this headset. First is the 4K, the Ultra HD 4K screen, the 4K display, and also here the Snapdragon XR2 processor, and also it support 6 degrees DOF and 105 degrees wide view. And also here the controller have a wide frequency model, and this is the 4 main features. And also here we can find what's inside these books. It's the controller, 2 controllers, headphone, the headset, battery, the glass stand, cushion, the slings, the adapters, cables, instructions, user manuals, and warranty cards. And okay, in the bottom of the books, this is the basic information and what's inside these books. And also in the bottom of the books, you can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 10 games. They showed in the bottom of the books. Okay, it include the Blade and Sorcery, Multi-Brush, After the Fail, Smash, Drash, all-in-one sport VR. So it support. It's an easy controller VR headset, and it support cleaner and immersive display performance, and also it have a tremendous applications and content in these devices. So okay, I cannot wait to show you what's inside these books. Okay, so first let's get this out. Okay, let's get this out. Whoa. Okay, let's get this out first. Whoa. Okay, so after we get the cover of the books, now the inside box is in front of us, and here is a pure white box. It's a high-end fittings, and here we can find the Pico logos here. Okay, let's uncover it. Okay, so now we uncover the books, and the headset is in front of us. Okay, so first, whoa. So first, I'm going to show you here, because there are some accessories and user manuals here, and then we will go to the headset. Okay, first let's put this here, and then it's the accessories. First, unfasten these fasteners, and then get the accessory box out. Okay, let's put this aside. Then after we get this box, we can open it. Okay, here. Yes, we get another small package. In this package we can find, this is a quick start. This shows you how to use it. Power on the controller, power on the VR headset, VR headset, adjust the headband, glass spacer, accessories, notepad, controller layout. Okay, quick start, user menu. Here is the user menus. It have detailed information and instructions on how to use it, and it tells us all the functions and the buttons about this device headset. Okay, and here is the safety and warranty guide. Okay, let's put this aside as well. And also here is the, I think it's the notepad, and also the glass spacer. Okay, yes, we can use this on the device, and it can protect and our face and glass. It makes us more comfortable if you wear this device in a long time. Okay, so let's put this inside as well. And next, let's go to the main player. Whoa, the actor today is the device. It's the Pico 4 VR all-in-one headset. Okay, so here, whoa, this is the this is a VR headset. Okay, let's put it here, and also here it has two controllers, left and right controllers. Next, I'm going to show you what these functions, the function of this, the specification and the buttons about these devices. We introduce them one by one. The first is from the VR headset. So as we can see, it's have a normal design like the other VR devices. And first, we can find here is the power button, and you can long press 2 seconds to get it, turn it on, and then you can long press 5 seconds to power it off. And here we can see the status indicators. It's have a blue, yellow, red, green, and blue flashing, red flashing, different status to show you the device status. If it's blue, it's 20% batteries, and yellow is charging battery. If battery is less than 98, when charging is yellow, and it's given red means the battery is less than 20. If green and it's over than 98, and the blue shining means been shut down, red flashing means the battery is less than 20%. Okay, so this is the power button and the status indicators. And also here, this part is the face cushion, and also here is the VR volume buttons. And also here, whoa, we can peel this off, and then we can get the RGB see-through camera. Here is RGB through cameras, so we do not block it when we use it. We need to peel this off when we use it. Okay, this is the RGB see-through cameras, and then the next is here is the strap dial. Here we can adjust here with the top strapper, and here, and the strap dial we can adjust it to get the most comfortable position for us to use these devices. And also here, number A. Next is the cameras. It's the tracking cameras, so do not block this as well when you use it. And then is this side is the USB-C interface. And then here, oh, here. The left and right speakers here and here, and then here, this hole here. Okay, I can show you here. This angle here, here. Yes, it's the proximity sensor, and also here. I think we need just this here. Wait a moment. There's a facing tracking camera here. Also, we cannot block them when we use it. And for this one, it's only not pro, so it's not pro, so it doesn't have. But I remember the pro one have this facing tracking, and also here it's the eye tracking cameras. So this is a main introduction of this headset. So I introduced them one by one. Then let's go to the controller. Okay, so now I got the controller. Okay, controller. Yes, this is left and right controllers. So now you can find that we have the left and right controller on hand, and also first joystick, then the left, these buttons is the menu buttons, and then home buttons. Whoa, yeah, home buttons. Also this is the home buttons as well, and then it's the whoa. Here is the A, B, X, Y buttons, and then the trigger. And also this here is a capture buttons. Yes. Also here is the grip buttons, and also here is the battery case, and also we can only use it. We can use it when we put the battery inside. Do not block it when we use the. Sorry, do not forget to open it when we use it, because this is all the buttons and functions introduction about the headset. Sorry, the VR headset and the controller. And also, it's very easy to use when we use these devices. The first, the controller power on here. We need to install batteries, and then put. I can show you, because here we need to. Here is the battery, so battery inside. Do not forget to put the battery inside this controller, or we cannot use it. So here, yes, the controller is on, and then we can power it on. This or this, we can power the controller on. Then we can go to the main VR headset. We can here power on this button, and then we word VR devices. Adjust the headband to get the most comfortable position, and then we can use the VR devices. Well, yes. So this is the old basic introduction about this device, and I'm going to show you more deep testing videos later. And thanks for this part. Thanks. Bye bye.